Setting up subscription plans and recurring payments in Stripe allows you to bill customers automatically at regular intervals. Here's how to do it. Create a Stripe account. Sign up at stripe.com and verify your business and bank details to activate your account. Add the product. Go to the Stripe dashboard, Products, Add Product. Name your product and add a description. Set up pricing. Under the product, click Add Price. Choose Recurring Pricing. Select the billing interval. Enter the amount and currency. You can create multiple pricing tiers for different plans if needed. Create a checkout link. To start accepting subscriptions without coding, go to Payments, Payment Links, and generate a hosted checkout page for the subscription. Use Stripe API. If integrating into a custom site, use Stripe's API too. Create a customer. Attach a payment method. Subscribe the customer to a plan. Test your setup. Use Stripe's test mode to simulate transactions before going live. Go live. Switch to live mode and share your checkout link or integrate it into your site.